Hello, my dear students. How are you? How is your mood? As you see, there are 6 pictures. Now you will take these pictures. If your mood is good, please take the second picture. If your mood is bad, please take first picture. I hope your mood is good. What's the weather like today? Do you know this song? What's the weather like today? If you know, let's sing together. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell us, Johnny, what's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy out today? Is it snowy? Is it windy? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Yes, you are right. It is sunny today. There are a lot of interesting and useful professions. Centuries ago, there were only a few jobs. People were farmers, bakers, butchers, or salesmen. Now you will choose one of these pictures and try to make up sentence. Describe your future profession. In this task, you will write these questions into your exercise copybook and try to answer. Today we will speak about different kinds of professions and we will review the main words and we will discuss the problem of choosing profession. What can you see in this picture? Yes, you're right. Jackie Chan, yeah? Jackie Chan is one of the most famous actor in the world. Okay, let's try to give definition to the word actor. Actor is a person who performs in a theatrical play or film. The next picture is architect. Architect professional who designs buildings or other structures. Okay, what can you see in this picture? Yes, you're right. Builder. Builder, it's a person who builds or constructs things. What can you see in this picture? What profession is it? How do you think? Yes, you are right. It's a doctor. Doctor, member of the medical profession, one who is trained and licensed to heal the sick or injured. This picture is electrician. As you know, electrician is a person who repairs electrical wiring and equipment. The next picture is engineer. Engineer is the person who controls motion of substance. What can you see in this picture? Yes, you are right. They are farm workers. What can you see in this picture? Yes, as you see, it's a farmer. Farmer is a person who works the land. It's a hairdresser. Yes, you're right. The next picture, it is journalist. Journalist, the keeper of personal journal. It's a lawyer. Lawyer, it's a person who gives advice, legal advice, yeah? What can you see in this picture? You can see a person and car. He is repairing a car. What profession is it? Yes, you're right. It's a mechanic. Mechanic who repairs cars. Good. How do you sing? What kind of musical instrument can you see? Yes, it's a guitar. And Yes, you're right. It's a person. Yeah. What profession is it? Who is who? Yes, you're right. It is a musician, a person who sings and plays musical instruments. The next picture is, yes, you're right, it's a nurse. Nurse. Nurse is the person who takes care of other people's health. What can you see? Yes, it's a plumber. Plumber is a person who works in or with, for example, apparatus for the water or gas. The next picture is, what can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see computer and a person. Yes, how do you think? What profession is it? Yes, you're right. It is a programmer. Programmer who writes computer programs. This is a reception. Reception, yeah. The next pictures. What can you see? What is he doing? Yes, he's a scientist. Scientist is a person who makes a research. The next picture it is shop assistant. Shop assistant, it's an employee in a shop. Soldiers. The next, taxi driver. Taxi driver, it's a person who drives taxi. Next, it is one of the most famous and one of the most difficult profession in the world. It's a teacher. Teacher is a person who teaches young learners. What can you see in this picture? Yes, you can see cat and rat. Yes, how do you think? What profession is it? It's a vet. Vet is the person who care of animals. Good. The next picture it is, you can see waiter. Waiter, it's a person who works in a restaurant or cafe. Good. Now you will write these new words into your dictionary copybook with Russian translation right down and try to give your own definition. Did you write? Okay, good. The next task is you will complete these pictures with following words. The next picture is, okay, now you will take this picture. If you understand the word, our lesson, please take the first pictures. You know how to work with this. Okay, at home you will write sentence using new words and you will do workbook, all exercise from your workbook and from your students book. Goodbye, my dear students.